What if it is plasmoids causing these airplanes to crash? Hear me out. This paper with the long ass title with a lot of authors goes into extreme detail about plasmoids and how they can affect aircraft. First off, what the hell is a plasmoid? Well, a plasmoid is something that exists in space. It is a self-illuminating, pulsating plasma-like UFO. They have multiple shapes and sizes and they are attracted to electromagnetic activity. Now, plasmoids have been documented by NASA, the US Navy, US Customs, by International Space Station. They exist, and plasma is the fourth state of matter. It's abundant in our universe. Next question is, where are these plasmoids? Well, they're all throughout space, but especially in the lower atmosphere because they're attracted to the electromagnetic energy from thunderstorms. That means plasmoids are hanging out in the lower atmosphere along with aircraft. The big question being, can these plasmoids affect airplanes? And it seems like yes, they can, because they have been observed inside of the International Space Station because they can pass through metal, glass, plastic, so they could very easily enter the cockpit of an airplane. Plasmoids do have explosive properties and they can negatively affect electronics and mental activity, including possibly hallucinations of alien abductions. So they can enter the cockpit and cause all kinds of fucking confusion. This paper presents MH370 as an example of what could happen when a plasmoid enters the cockpit. We've never found MH370. We do not know what happened to it. Maybe a plasmoid entered the cockpit and caused confusion, and that's why they crashed. MH370 is not the only plane to disappear. There have been several more that disappeared, and we have no clue what happened to them. And then we have this. Between November of 2013 and June of 2016, 8 different commercial passenger planes suffered a crash with reasons unknown. This resulted in 1,022 fatalities in just 30 months, and we have no cause. And these crashes coincide with the same time that US Navy pilots were reporting an increased amount of UAPs in the sky. So were those plasmoids they were seeing and they were interfering with the planes, and are they back?